Dance? You want to dance for me? Oh, that's a very good boy.
Where you going, mister?
That's a very good library voice. Oh, you're a very good bird. You're a very good bird. Hi, Zulu. Hi, how are you?
Quiet.
Oh, you're telling me to be quiet.
I'm going down.
You're a library voice.
Hi, Zulu.
Hi. How are you? Oh, are you thirsty? Are you thirsty, boy? Huh? Hi. Hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, back up a bit. Back up. What are you doing? Hmm? Oh. Look at that rudder. That's a very nice rudder. Yeah?